Lube Oil and Waste Oil Storage Sheds by Transportable Shade Sheds. Transportable Shade Sheds is a game changer in the global manufacturing industry. Our award-winning product boasts a state-of-the-art bending and swaging technology that has sold over 70,000 units and counting, due to its strength and practical application. We can provide a practical solution for servicing vehicles that meets regulations and standards. Our solution gives you the convenience of on-site storage and the benefit of safe, easy and efficient oil management. Presenting the Lube Oil and Waste Oil Storage Sheds, consider our oil storage solution for your maintenance and oil management operations. The versatility of our waste oil shed allows for vacuuming of fluid from storage tanks, drums, or totes. It also features a decanting area, which allows containers and oil filters to be drained safely into the bunded area of the unit. Additional oil containers can be stored at the back of the storage unit, so that it can be recycled or processed later. The included dipstick can tell how much oil is being stored in the unit. The waste oil can be easily extracted through the reclamation tap, once the storage unit is full. The Lube Oil Shed allows for dispensing of fresh oil to your fleet of vehicles using a dispensing nozzle. It uses a pump to dispense new oil from the storage at the back. An additional storage is also available to store equipment or tools for servicing vehicles. An air conditioner is present to keep the oil at a stable temperature and to maintain its perfect viscosity. It also features a bunded mesh floor to catch any spillage, keeping your place and the environment safe. Remarkably durable, fully compliant, and past the government standards, delivered to your site fully assembled and ready to use. Our product is fully customizable and can be built to suit your specific requirements. If you have a fleet of vehicles, our system will improve the efficiency of their servicing and maintenance. We are confident that you'll be happy with our product's performance and efficiency. If you want a cost-effective solution for your vehicle maintenance and servicing, choose us, Transportable Shade Sheds. Call us at 1-300-667-433 to get the best deals and prices, or visit shadesheds.com. Like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to get updates on our latest content.